So there was this cross brace in the kit. In the kit. Yeah, there was in the box of parts. So I took that. Let me see if I got any 6mm lock washers. It looks cool, right? I like it. I painted it white. So first I sandblasted it, and then I painted it, and then I hit it with a clear coat, that 2K stuff. So it's kind of dual purpose, right? So it's gonna brace this up a little bit, and it also lets the filters rest right on top. I don't know where it came from. I don't know who made it. It was just in my box of parts from the previous owner, so I figured, why not? Is that recording? Yes. So, not a bad piece. I don't think. We'll run with it. See what happens. All I can do is vibrate loose. Tighten it back up again. So we got meats, brakes, exhaust, carbs, filters. Basically, it's drivable. So really, for now, for this moment, all I really need to do is put on the body panels and mount the turn signals. And then we could get our paperwork done. Got everything zip tied up out of the way. This one needs a zip tie. This is tied. This is tied. This doesn't get tied. That needs to be tied. One of these episodes, you're going to see me cut all of these wires and shrink them to fit. Everything will be just so. We'll twist them, solder them, heat shrink them, and then we won't have to worry about these loops and extras like this. We won't have to worry about none of this because it'll all be whoop, just the way it's supposed to be. This is, yeah, okay. So before we put the side covers on, we have to polish them. Because we polished all this. So it's like two different shades of red, right? So this has to get cleaned off, inside and out. And then polished. But I do have a 5-inch. So that's no worry. This won't take that long on a 5-inch polisher. See the color difference? I mean, I can see it. I hope y'all can. Deeper red and like a doesn't even look like it belongs red. So I'm gonna clean this and then polish this. And I'm polishing that frame. 9 o'clock, plenty of time. I gotta change that spare spark plug to the good stuff. A 10-pack ought to suit me right down to the ground, I think. So this is the 21. This is a blue. It's a little more, not as fine as the black, but so what? Yeah, see, that looks better already. I know what you're saying. You're saying, oh shit. You're saying don't pour it all over the floor because it costs money. And I'm saying, yes, I know. I should have done the whole frame when everything was off. But for now, this will suffice. This will keep me happy. This will help my OCD. There's a definite color change. Sorry about the compressor. I'll wait. So there's a definite color change. Like look right here between this, this, and this. I'm gonna have to do the whole thing. I'm not doing it right now. I mean, I'm gonna do all of this right now, but I'm not taking all of this off and doing the whole thing right now. I will do that, but not right now. But this thing's kind of loud. I gotta get some earplugs, put them in. I'm gonna change a battery and then get after this. So take a break, be right back. We're rolling. I keep spilling this shit. Like I'm just giving it away. So this isn't a cleaner wax. If it was a cleaner wax, it'd probably be a little bit better, but this is okay for now. It's okay for now. You know what else I need? My god dang glasses. Hold on. We got the AC going. We got our earplugs in. We got our specs on. I just decided to go and get myself a nice El Jefe from No Label Brewery in Katy, Texas. This is a German Hefeweizen. It's kind of light and refreshing. It's got a cool label on it. So these are the Katy rice dryers. Nice. Cheers. Cheers to up all night polishing motorcycles. Good times. Beats going to work. Could you imagine having to polish that by hand? I mean, I know that's how they used to do it. I will put the link to that little polisher in the details section. That was 44 minutes. Well, yeah, 44 minutes since I sat down with my beer and everything else. I think. I'll have to go back and look. I don't know when I started. Time is kind of sticky in the shop. You never know what time it is until somebody tells you. It's time to eat. It's time to leave. It's time to go to bed. So that's it for polishing the frame. Next up, we're going to move over here and polish those side covers. So that's all for today's episode on the Ducati modifications. Thanks for watching. If you like anything you see, hit the like button. It's over here. And if you want to keep getting notifications and getting told that there's a new video, hit the subscribe button. It's over here. I appreciate it. Thanks. Y'all take care. Oh, let me check my hair. No, not too bad.